In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your notifications on SofaScore. Very simple and easy. So you can add some sounds, vibrations and all that for some teams and your players too as well. So let's do that. So let's waste no time. So all we need to do is tap on our profile there. You can see profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Behind the feed, tap on your profile there, and then you tap on the settings button at the top right corner of your screen too as well. So you tap on that. Good. So on here you can see notifications under the general. Let's tap on that. Good. So it's going to take you to your mobile phone here, just like on SofaScore and the rest. So you can see it on. You can turn it off, turn it on. Good. Icon button and everything. So for goals, you can see goals are being turned off. I can turn it on. Halftime, everything is being turned on. So once you follow a team, you are going to get all that. And goal scorer too. This is hockey. The first one we were working on is football. So you can see this is soccer. This is tennis. So if you don't want tennis, you just turn tennis off. So you don't get any notification when it comes to tennis. Same for basketball. I watch basketball, so yeah. And hockey, I turn that off. I don't watch hockey. This cricket, same thing. And this is handball. I don't watch any of these things. Ruby or Robbie, anyhow they call it. Baseball, same style. So that's it. You just turn them on and off. So for football, you can make your edits them. So halftime, you make a sound. You get it. You tap on that, and you can even change the sound by tapping on it. And then if you want vibrations and all that, if you want it to override your do not disturb on your mobile phone. So it depends on your mobile phone you're using for you to get all these. So I'm using an Android now. That's why I'm getting all this. But then it's very much similar on every mobile phone. So it's just simple English. When it comes to a penalty, you get a notification like a sound or something. You can edit all of them. Very simple and easy. So that's it on how you adjust your notifications on SofaScore. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.